Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the contents out of the box of my Westinghouse 3600v generator. This is the box that my generator came in. It had straps around the box to secure it. I took the straps off by sliding them off like this. So the box looks like this. I bought my generator in 2018, so it got beat up a little bit because I would drag it around while it was in the box. This is just someone took off a label from this side. Then when I opened up the lid to look inside, I saw these documents. I saw a bonus item offer. I sent in for a bonus item, which was actually a power cord, but Westinghouse said they ran out of it, so they sent me a covering, a weather covering for it. I'm happy with that because I store my generator where there's some rain and it protects it. So this is the covering. The covering comes in handy because, well, actually it seems a little big because it is for this generator without the wheels. But once I put the wheels on, it's going to fit just right. But this generator I bought did not come with the wheel kit, so I had to buy it separately. So I ordered it and it came out to almost $100. Let's see what else, what other documents we have. Just a flyers telling us to do not return it to the store, just to contact them, Westinghouse, for assistance. Warranty for the generator. Emission control warranty. A user manual. And a quick start guide. Then once I removed the cardboard from the top of the generator, I saw the generator, but the generator was actually inside a plastic bag like this. So I had to pull it out of the box and try to get the plastic bag off. The generator was it was a little heavy for me, so it took a little effort to take it out, especially without scratching it, so I took my time. But when I looked at the generator, I saw that there was holes in the bags and there was some oil that leaked out where the feet made contact with the plastic. Because the oil cap had a label between its connections, and this was a warning to tell me that that says, "Caution, oil has been drained for shipping." So they wanted to make sure that I knew that the engine did not have oil in it. So once I took this out and put the cap back in, it secured the generator from leaks. It prevented leaks. Now you probably see in this cable here, this is not a cable, it's a solid grounding wire, a 10 gauge grounding wire that I bought and attached to the grounding terminal. This does not come with the generator. And inside the box I also got a smaller box that had a socket set that you use like this. A funnel for pouring the oil into the engine like that. And one 4-stroke small engine oil. So that's basically what I found inside my Westinghouse 3600v generator package. Thank you.